Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see a 4 in this row, the third row, a 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then a 5 in this column, a 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for a 5 is here and there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for a 6 is here and there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then, three, yes. The 8, yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have an 8 in one of these two boxes. In that column, we have an 8 over there. So in the middle column, the only two places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. It should be here. Okay. 5, 4. We have a 4. Yes. 4. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in this row, the only place for the 5 should be here. Alright. Then 6, 5, 4. Three. Yes, 5, 4. The 9, 1. The 2. 1, 2, and 7 are missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. 1, 2, and 7 are missing in the middle column. The 2, can I do something with the 2? 2. 2 should be here. Yes. 2 should be there. Yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, and 9. I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see here 2, so no 2 in this box. One box remain for the 2, should be this one. 9 and 1, 9 and 1 are missing. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. The 1 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between the only 2 places for a 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. Oh, 9 should be here. Then in this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 3 and 8. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers. 4 and no, we have a 4. 8 and 3. We have a 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yes. This big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 there, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 3 in one of those two boxes. 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for a 3 is here, here or there. But we have a 3 there, no 3 here. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. Yes, the 2. Three. Yeah. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 there. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 there, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in the last row, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. The row above, we have a 3 over there. So in this row, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there. But we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 7 and 8. We have a 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 7, we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 1. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for 1 is here, here or there. But we have a 1 here, no 1 there. We have a 1 over there, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I see. Anyway, the middle column, 1 missing number for this column is the number 2, I believe. Yes, the 2 is missing. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 9. Then Then two missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have in this row 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 9, 8, and 6. In this big square we have a 9 and 8, so no 9 and 8 in this box. 1 digit left for the 6. 1 missing number in this big square. For the number 5 we have 2. 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there, but we have a 2 there. No 2 here. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places for a 2 is here, here or there, but we have a 2 here. No 2 there. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but we have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 6 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 5 and 6. No. 5 and 7. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes for this Sudoku medium. Alright, the average time. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. And again, thank you for watching, and see you in a minute for the last Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye.